It's new moon in Libra time. 3 things to know about this new moon in Libra. Okay, 1, it's at 2 degrees of Libra. It's on Sunday, September 25th. And this is really a feminine new moon. And it's trying to lead us into this eclipse season, which the next new moon will be a partial eclipse. It's trying to lead us there in a semi-gentle way. Maybe it doesn't feel so gentle to you, but the invitation is there. This is an initiation into energy, and some people will work with it and some people won't. You want to be one of the people that are working with it. Look at where 2 degrees of Libra is for you. Set new intentions, feel into new intentions around love, relationships, desires, what you want, and how you're navigating that in your day-to-day. Depending on where this is in your chart is where you're being asked to start fresh. We also have, it's highlighting where we've been the last few years, and then also like closing that up, wrapping that up, and moving into the future fresh. The Saturn-Uranus square, Uranus is in Taurus, feminine, again, shaking it up and like asking for it to be seen. So it's a really big deal to pay attention to your feminine at this time. I have a free training on Heal the Feminine in my profile link in my website. And I also have an astrology workshop for the fall on my profile link as well. That would be really helpful in this short little video. And also this new moon is opposing Jupiter in Aries, which is all about expanding the self. Happy new moon.